Hi, it's DIYShotty here. Today, we will be carving this cute fish from the pit of this wild peach grown in the mountains. This is going to be a very satisfying process, so please watch till the end. At first, we need to take the pit out and let it dry. Very nice. After it's completely dry, we'll randomly pick a few to carve. Now, we'll use a rotating file to carve it and smooth the surface of the pit. Now, as it is looking very smooth, we will use a pencil to draw the eyes and mouth of the fish. Now let's carve along the pencil guides. Please hit like and subscribe to support this channel. Now, let's carve the fish scales one by one to make the fish look more realistic. Let's add little details to the eyes. How can we forget the fins and tail of our fish? Obviously, our fish needs to breathe and swim. After polishing, and this little fish is ready. What do you think about this work? Please let me know in comments. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video. Peace.